In this video example, we're going to create some offers within MetaLocator. We're going to make those available at selected locations in our database. We're going to create a couple different kinds of offers. We're going to focus on the coupon type offer, the banner type offer, and the loyalty card type offer. We'll start with the simplest offer, and that's the banner type offer. In order to create an offer, the first thing I'll do is log into the MetaLocator dashboard and click on Offers. I'll click New next, and I'm going to create a banner type offer. In this example, I'm going to call it just buy a car or whatever you like. And I'm going to upload a photo, and I've got a couple example coupons. And that's just a generic, we'll call this 75% off. So we know that it matches the graphic. And in this case, I'll also include a link to MetaLocator's website. The rest of these I'll leave empty because in the case of a banner ad, they're not used. Banner ads are exactly what they sound like. It's an image with a link provided. So I'll click Save. And now we have one banner ad. The next thing I'll do is I want to attach this to a few of my locations. So I'll go under Data and then All Records. I'm just going to grab a handful of locations, and with those locations I'm going to associate the current offer with those locations. So I'll set the offers and click Go. In this case, I'll choose my 75% offer. It's the only offer that I have. And now that offer has been associated with the first handful of locations. The next thing I need to do is decide where I'm going to display those offers and how I'm going to display them. I've got a couple example interfaces, and just glancing at the interfaces, I noticed that my offers are nowhere to be found. In order to display them on the front end, the first thing I need to do is create a field that will display the offers available at a given location. And so I'll make a new field, and I'll say offers at this location. And the field type will be offers. I'll save that. And the next thing I need to do is edit my interface to insert the field where I would like it to display. As you might know, you can modify the various templates all throughout MetaLocator, including on the details page, and these will give you various options of where you might want to show coupons and offers. And so what I'll do is go into my interface. In this case, I want to display my offers right here. So I'll just display it right in the results. I could also display it in the map pop-up if I wanted to, or in the detail page. And in this case, I'm going to display it right over here on the left. And so we'll open up the interface, and under template settings, I'm going to insert the field that I just created. And it's available under user fields called offers at this location. I'll click OK and save. Now that the offers at this location field has been added to my results, let's reload the interface and see what happens. Notice we have a link at each one of these that shows offers at this location. I'd actually like to display the offers right in the results. And so I'm going to modify another interface setting that allows me to display my offers inline. That's found under Advanced Settings, and it's called Show Offers Inline. So I'll say yes. Once that finishes saving, I'll reload the page. And notice now we have the offers that are available at this location directly in our results, as opposed to a link to the offers available at that location. Now remember, we only selected a handful of locations to have this offer, so you can see the conditional nature of the offer associated with just a handful of locations. The behavior of the banner type offer is simply to display an image with a clickable link. So now if I click this link, I'll just be taken to the MetaLocator webpage. And so that concludes the demonstration of the banner type offer. Now we're going to make things a little bit more interesting and introduce a couple different types of offers. The first one we'll start with, or I should say the second one we'll start with, is a coupon. Coupons in this case can be claimed by a user, and you can decide how many coupons you're going to issue. Additionally, you can decide how many coupons you're going to redeem if you're going to use MetaLocator to manage redemption in any way. Typically, if you're not going to use MetaLocator to manage redemption, you can stick to the banner type offer. So we'll call this one a 10% off t-shirts. And in this case, we'll upload we'll choose coupon. We won't provide a link in this case, but we will provide another image. So this is a slightly different graphic. And in the details, I will say a little information about the offer. I'll say, bring in your old iPhone for a new iPhone for $4.99. And the terms might be something like limit 1 per customer, no cash value. Redemption instructions might vary depending on how you plan on redeeming this coupon. In this example, I'll say bring your redemption code to any of our retail locations. The redemption type for coupons in this case is going to be a unique value. That'll become clearer in just a moment. Redemption limit is the total number of coupons that can be redeemed across all customers. So if you want to limit your responsibility to this offer to 50 customers, you could limit the redemption here. Similarly, if you only wanted to allow customers to claim up to a certain number of these coupons, you could change the issue limit. So those are the number of unique redemption values that we will issue. A typical coupon or ticket can only be redeemed once, meaning you show up, you present your coupon, and that coupon is immediately invalidated. And so the redemption limit of 1 causes that first redemption to be immediately invalidated. You can specify valid start dates and end dates. You can also specify whether it expires after a certain number of days after it's been issued. These 3 settings can be managed independently. If you have your own barcode that you want printed on the offer, you can enter those values here as either a QR code, barcode, and then you can choose the barcode format that your existing scanner or register or point of sale supports. So let's save this one and actually jump in to see how it behaves a little bit better. So now we have 2 offers. In this case, I'm going to go over to my data and I'm going to associate this offer with a handful of records. In this case, I will grab the same results that we had before, and I'll set the offers. For clarity's sake, I'm going to remove the existing offers that we have, and I'm going to specify that it be replaced by this new offer, 10% off t-shirts. And now notice that we have a new offer listed here that's available for $4.99. This is our banner offer up here. This is our new offer down below. And it says 10% off t-shirts, bring in your old iPhone, and now there's a link to claim this offer. So let's explore this behavior. I get the full layout of the coupon that's displayed here, and I click claim this offer. And it will ask me for some basic information about who I am as a customer. I'll check that I'm not a robot according to Google's spam filter, and I'll click Save. Now that I've claimed the offer, it will display to me a customer-specific redemption code and it shows me that I've requested this offer twice, and it shows me a QR code, and it also shows me a short version of my redemption code. And this has also been delivered to me as a customer via email. So let's see what I got in my email. Our request has been included in the email, and I get my unique redemption code. I submitted this one twice, so notice I got one and then I got a second one. And so this unique code is my unique coupon. And so this can be used as a ticket. It can also be used as a regular coupon code. Notice we have this big long secure key, but then we also include a shorter version of that that's easier to type in. So what happens when your customer comes into the store and asks you to redeem a particular coupon, and they present this code including the short code? What you can do is go in the back end of MetaLocator, look at all your offers, and notice that we have history shown for this particular offer now because we have a few coupons that were issued. So notice there have been no redemptions. So let's make a new one. The system is asking for the key or short key related to this particular customer's redemption request. I'll save that, and now notice the customer offer has been redeemed. We can look at the offer's status, including its complete history of redemption, if we go under All Offers and click History. Now we can see the redemption that was just processed for Michael Fatika, that example customer. And it was done via the control panel. We could see the date and time that it occurred, and then you can then use your own point of sale to issue the credit as necessary. So the last item that we will test is the loyalty card based coupon. This is good for something like 10 visits to a salon, or 15 visits, you get your 16th visit free, that sort of thing. So we'll go back to our offers and we'll make a new one. In this case, we're going to choose a 10 visit punch card, and we'll choose loyalty punch card as the type of coupon. We'll provide another image, and I'll just pick this screenshot here. Actually, we'll choose the sample offer, and we'll say 10 visits, valid for 10 visits. And we'll say bring into the salon each visit. In this case, the redemption limit for voucher is going to be 10, because the customer can actually redeem this voucher 10 times before it becomes invalid. And so we'll leave the rest of these empty and save it. Once again, we'll go to our data, and we're going to attach a series of offers. And in this case, we're going to add the 10 visit punch card. Go over to interfaces and click preview. And now we're going to have a bunch of these offers here. Notice now we have 10 visit punch card, valid for 10 visits. Let's claim this offer as a customer. And once again, I'll type in my information. Designate that I am not in fact a robot, and choose save. Once again, we get a redemption code. Notice it's been redeemed 0 out of 10 times. Here's the short version of the code. It's been delivered to my email, including the QR code and the short version of that code. Now, every time I come into the particular location and I want to redeem my 10 visit punch card, I want to get that punched, I can go under all offers, have a new redemption, enter in the short key, and it'll be appropriately redeemed. That's it for the tour of coupons and offers.